Hi, this is Venkatesh. Welcome back to AccountsGuide.net. In this video, I am going to show you how to take a backup of a company from Tally ERP9 software, and as well how we can restore a company into Tally ERP9 software. Most of the people think that backing up the company accounts in Tally software is nothing but just copy and pasting the company accounts folder available in data folder. Let us see how many companies are available in my Tally software. Here I have three companies. The first one company is 10000, second company 10005, and third one is 10001. The most of the people think that backing up the companies in Tally software is just copying the three companies folders available in data folder. And here this is the data folder of the Tally software where all the company accounts will be available. Here you can see three companies. Copying these companies and pasting in some other location is not the process of technical way of backing up the Tally company accounts. When you copy and paste, some of the files residing in the company might be missing, and that will lead to not to open properly when you try to open the software in another computer. And there is a technical way of taking the backup of the company, and let us see how we can take the backup of the companies that will be stored in a single file instead of residing different folder for different company. We can take a single file for entire companies located in the Tally software. For that, we have to go to the company info screen. Here you can see the backup option. Just select that one, and this is the source. The first option is in the backup companies on disk screen. You can see the source location, and this is the location where your data files are located in your hard disk drive. And the destination is the location where you want to take a backup of the companies. Suppose here I want to take the backup in E drive, and here you will see the number of companies available in your local disk drive. Either you can select a particular company, or even you can select all companies at a time. If you select one company, you have to select end of the list to end the selection of the companies, and after that press S button, and that has been taken as backup file. Let us see in the E drive. Here you can see this is the file which is the backup of your company from the Tally ERP9 software. And this is how we can technically take a backup of the company. And after that, let us see how we can restore a particular company into our Tally ERP9 software local drive. For that one, first from the company info screen, you can see the restore option. Just click that one, and here's the destination. The destination is your Tally ERP9 installed location, that is your D drive, and the source is the location where you have taken the backup of your Tally ERP9 software, that is the E drive. Just now we have taken the backup in E drive, and that is E drive. If you have stored in different location, provide the local disk drive location over here. Whenever you select the source, that will show the number of companies available for that backed up company file. If there is nothing file located in this source location, it will show just like this. Let us see, suppose D drive, no backup exists in that particular path. So if there is a file, that will automatically shows you the number of companies available in that location. And here I can see the Hussain Abbas and Co, and that has been taken as a backup earlier, and select the company and select end of the list and accept it. If already a company is existing existing with the same company number, then you have to press yes. If you are confirmed that you don't need the old company, then you can set yes. Otherwise, you can take the backup of that particular company and you can restore that this